Alright, here we got a 2010 model 8FGU15, serial number 12844. It's our unit number F2253. This is a 3,000 pound solid pneumatic tired unit with 5,900 hours. Actually, it's 5,968. Again, 189 FSV, 42-inch forks. This is a full maintenance truck that came from Marshall Pottery. So it's been under our care from day one. Looked it up, no major repairs ever done on this truck. The most major repair it had ever received is a free lift cylinder kit. The rest of it's just tune-ups and oil changes. Little unit has served us well. So it is on the list for $20,500. And for May, we're going to mark it down to $18,900. $18,900. We will put a new set of tires on it. So, got any questions about this? Just give me a shout. Thanks.